Hello there guys! Today we will be reading a book titled Peppa's Summer Holiday. Peppa's Summer Holiday. Peppa was at playgroup and she was feeling very excited. "I'm going on a summer holiday," she cried. "Me too," shouted all of Peppa's friends. "I'm going to swim in a swimming pool," cried Peppa. "Me too," shouted all of Peppa's friends. Everyone was going on a summer holiday, and everyone was going to swim in a swimming pool. After playgroup, Peppa and George packed their holiday bags. "Please, could you help me pack my flamingo, Daddy?" asked Peppa. "Of course," said Daddy Pig, trying to squeeze Peppa's inflatable flamingo into her bag. "Why don't we deflate it first?" suggested Mummy Pig. "Great idea, Mummy Pig," said Daddy Pig. Peppa, George, Mummy Pig, and Daddy Pig put their bags in the car and headed to the airport. "We're going on holiday! We're going on holiday!" sang Peppa over and over again. "It seems like everyone's going on holiday," said Daddy Pig. "Just look at all this traffic." Peppa and the family made it to the airport just in time. T1 stands for Terminal 1. They quickly showed their passports to Miss Rabbit and then put their bags through the scanning machine. "Yippee!" cheered Peppa and George when they boarded the aeroplane. "Phew, we made it," said Mummy Pig as everyone put on their seat belts. When they arrived at the hotel, everyone was very excited. "Look at the blue sea," gasped Daddy Pig. "Look at the palm trees," sighed Mummy Pig. "Look at the swimming pool," cried Peppa. "Let's find our room," said Mummy Pig. "Then we can go swimming." "Hooray!" cheered Peppa and George. After they had unpacked their bags in their room, Peppa, George, and Daddy Pig jumped straight into the swimming pool. Meanwhile, Mummy Pig relaxed in the sunshine with an ice-cold smoothie. Peppa and George found Emily and Edmund Elephant splashing about in the water. "What are you doing here, Emily?" said Peppa. "I'm on holiday," said Emily. "What are you doing here?" Peppa giggled. "I'm on holiday too." "Then it's all splash!" cried George, splashing Edmund. The swimming pool was lots of fun. Splash, splish, splish, splash. Soon, Miss Rabbit arrived at the pool and made an announcement. "Attention please! This afternoon's holiday activity is a visit to a turtle sanctuary." "Ooh!" gasped the children. "If turtle hatchlings are being released into the sea today, we may be able to watch from a distance," said Miss Rabbit. On the turtle trip, Peppa and Emily saw Rebecca and Richard Rabbit. "What are you doing here, Rebecca?" said Peppa. "I'm on holiday," replied Peppa. "What are you doing here?" "I'm on holiday too," said Peppa. Peppa, Emily, and Rebecca love watching the baby turtles going for their first swim in the sea. "Can we go to the pool with Rebecca now, Mummy?" asked Peppa. "Of course," said Mummy Pig. The next day, Peppa and George went straight to the pool. "Susie! Zoe!" cried Peppa. "What are you doing here?" "We're on holiday," replied Susie Sheep and Zoe Zebra. Miss Rabbit announced that the next activity would be a jungle walk to find sloths. "Ooh!" gasped the children. Splish, splash. Peppa was very good at spotting sloths, and she also spotted the giraffe family. It was very hot in the jungle. "Please, can we go back to the swimming pool now, Mummy?" said Peppa. Of course, replied Mummy Pig. It'll be nice to cool off in the pool. After the jungle trip, everyone jumped into the pool. Our last holiday activity is a dance competition, said Miss Rabbit. In the swimming pool. Peppa was very excited and started to dance. Look at me, I'm doing a flamingo dance, she cried. The children laughed and copied Peppa's funny flamingo dance. He, he, he. Soon, everyone was doing Peppa's funny flamingo dance, even the grown-ups. Miss Rabbit picked up her megaphone, and the winning dance is Peppa's flamingo dance. Hooray! Everyone cheered. Everyone had enjoyed their holiday, but it was time to go home. Once everyone was on the aeroplane, Miss Rabbit announced, I'm afraid takeoff has been delayed. Can we go to the swimming pool? Asked Peppa. Mummy Pig frowned. I'm afraid not, Peppa. You could do the flamingo dance though, suggested Daddy Pig. Yes, cried Peppa, and she started to dance. Soon, everyone on the aeroplane was doing Peppa's flamingo dance, right up until it was time for takeoff. Everyone loved their summer holiday, and everyone loved Peppa's flamingo dance. And that's the end of the story, guys. If you enjoyed the story, hit the like, share, subscribe, and bell button to receive notifications every time we upload new content. Goodbye!